Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to randomly select an element from the list. So guys, we can randomly select any element from the list in two ways. So basically the first way is by using the random module, and then the second way is by using the secrets module over here. So guys, let us check this with the help of examples as well in the VS Code. So guys, the very first thing that we will be doing is we will define the list. So let's say we have list 1 over here, and then the elements that are present in the list is the combination of the numbers and the characters as well. So let's say we have 1, and then followed by we have A, and then let's say we have 3, and then let's say we have C as the character, and then let's say we have 2, and then we have D as the character, and then let's say we have the number 10 over here. So guys, these are certain elements inside the list. It is consisting of numbers as well as characters as well. Now let's say there is a requirement that you want to select one of the element from this list randomly. So what we can do is, the very first way is by using the random module. So we need to import the random module in order to use it. So basically the import statement is the very first statement in our Python program. So we say import keyword followed by space, and then we have the random module over here. So as you can see, VS Code is suggesting us this random module in this case. So we are going to select this random module. Now guys, simply we can use this random module. So inside this random module there are multiple methods that you can use, out of which one of the methods is the choice method. So over here random followed by dot, and then we have something called as choice method. As you can see, choose a random element from a non-empty sequence. Basically this method will help us in order to select one of the elements from this list randomly. So we are going to use this choice method, and then we are going to pass this list to this choice method. So we have list 1 over here. So guys, basically this choice method is expecting the parameter, that is the sequence, which is the list 1 that we have passed over here. And then guys, this entire statement can be present inside the print statement, because this choice method is going to return one of the elements from the list 1 randomly. So guys, we are using the print method in order to print that item that is being selected by this choice method. So guys, this is the way that we can use the choice method inside the random module. Let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got A, that is one of the elements that is present inside this list, as the random element. Let us run this code once again to see which is the next element that we get. So as you can see, after running this code once again, we get another element over here, that is 2. So guys, randomly the choice method will help us in order to select one of the elements from this list. Guys, it can be used in order to randomly select one of the cards from the deck of cards as well, if you are dealing with an application which involves the deck of cards as one of the applications. Now guys, let us see another method. We can also use the secrets module in the same way in order to randomly choose one of the elements inside the list. So guys, what we will do is, I'll just remove this line of code now, and instead of random we will have the secrets module over here. So we type secrets module, and then in the same way we can use the choice method inside the secrets module in order to randomly select one of the elements from the list. So over here we use the secrets module followed by dot, and then we have the choice method once again inside this module, and then again we are going to provide the list 1 as the parameter. So this will help us in order to select one of the elements from the list. Now guys, we are going to enclose this entire line of code inside the print statement, so that the element is printed on the console over here. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, this time we are getting 3 as the randomly selected element from this list. Let me just run this code once again over here. Again we are getting 3. I'll run this code once again. This time we are getting A over here, and then we are getting 10 now, and then we are getting D as well. So guys, randomly one of the elements is getting selected over here from the list by using the secrets module as well. Guys, comment in the comment section below whether you will be able to predict what will be the next element that is chosen by secrets or the random when you are using this choice method. Let us see whether your answer is correct or not. Please make sure that you practice on your own, so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to check if a string is a float number or not. So stay tuned.